Okay, welcome back to another episode of the 1941 Capehart 111K2 FM Panamuse restoration. So we've actually completed all the electronics now, as you could see before us. We have a radio tuner in the top left, our amplifier, which I mistakenly said was an A10, it's an A5 amp, still the deluxe amp for 1941 Panamuse. That was also seen on the 400 series for 1941. We have both of our speakers. We went ahead and went through our motor, which is in fabulous shape for our record changer. And there's our junction box. We cleaned the relays in there. The record changer has been removed and sits right over here for the moment. So we will tackle that here in the next installment. But wanted to show everything all put back together, cleaned up. The radio tuner is in phenomenal shape. We put all that back together just the way it was before. Same with the amplifier. All we had to do was a light cleaning on this one. Very rare to find Capeharts like this in this condition. I mean, 1941 vintage, and this thing looks like it just came from the dealer back then. So we have our updated for 1941. In 1940, they utilized the heavy-duty motor with the separate transmission and the drive line in between. That was Capehart's final pre-war motor for the 16E changer, and it was indeed their finest. Very robust and got the job done very well. We have both of our speakers here, and then our junction box, which is seen on all 1941 and 42 examples. And overall, a very nice, complete, original Capehart. Let's listen to it and see how good it sounds. We replaced one of the pilot lamps, which is out. So both of those are now working. And check out how good this thing sounds. I just have the transmitter hooked up right now, so we are broadcasting through AM, but it's off of the transmitter, and I have period correct music playing right now off my little digital transmitter. So everything is being picked up by the loop antenna right here. This is our tuning knob. Right now we're on the broadcast band here in the center.
Encouraging, isn't it? He has set before us an agony. It is a crucible. Is so revealing of its strength. The distance between
Plenty of sound. Here we have the treble control.
Is limitless.
We're going to demonstrate that on the... There's just not much on AM anymore. So, at least where I live. So we're going to get back to the radio station here that I have. Let's demonstrate the treble and bass. Treble. It's all the way at 0. Bass is at 5. There's the max. bass all the way at 0, treble at max. Okay, so that's a little demonstration of the electronics, which are now complete on the 1941 Capehart 111 K2 FM. What a nice solid Capehart unit for the Model 100 series that Capehart produced in the late 30s up through World War II. A very fabulous example, and we will continue work, so stay tuned for the next video.